Good morning children. Today again we are going to discuss about the five sense organs. We have five sense organs and these sense organs help us to know the world around us. So let's learn more about them. The five senses are the senses of the sight and the hearing, the smell, the taste and the touch. So these are the five senses. Okay children? These are the five sense organs. So now look at the five sense organ one by one. Okay? See the picture also children? See it carefully. The first one are the eyes. They help us to see this beautiful world around us. Okay children? We are able to see the sun and the mountain and our friend every day because of our eyes. Okay? We are able to read the newspaper and we are able to read the book and the magazine all because of our eyes. Okay children? We are able to watch the television. We are able to see the rainbow in the sky all because of our eyes. Okay? Come on the next one children. The next sense organ are the ears. Ears help us to hear many sounds around us. Okay children? Ear help us to hear. Clear? Eyes help us to see or sight and ear help us to hear. So, we can hear somebody talking because of our ears. We can also hear the different kind of sounds like the ring of the bell. We can also hear the creeping of the words because of the ears. Okay? We can hear the sound of the alarm clock, the sound of the whistles because of our ear. So all these sounds are only heard by the ears. Clear children? Can we move to the next one? Okay. Now see the next one. Nose. Okay. Next sense organ is the nose. And how nose helps us? It help us to smell. Okay. It help us to smell both good and bad things. Okay? We are able to smell the delicious food item because of our nose. So because of our nose, we are able to smell different kind of smell. We can smell the beautiful flower. We can also smell the perfume because of our nose. We can also smell the bad things like the stinking of the fish. Okay? Clear to all of you? Now next one. The fourth one. Okay? The next is the tongue. The next sense organ is the tongue. How tongue helps you children? Tongue help us to taste different kind of food. Okay? We can taste the delicious food. Also, we can taste the sweetness in different kind of sweet like lollipop and the cake because of our tongue. We know the taste of different substances like sweet, sour, pungent and bitter with the help of our tongue. Clear children? Okay, now come on the last sense organ. The last one, the next sense organ is the skin. And children, you know very well that skin is present all over our body. Okay, everywhere in our body. So, the skin help us to feel and touch. Okay, children? We can also feel the softness of the skin, like when you are touching your cheek, you are feeling soft. Why? Because of skin. We can also feel the poking nature of any sharp object like knife, scissor, needle because of the skin. Okay, children? Now, one by one, we will again discuss about all the sense organ. So lovely children, just get up and repeat it with me. All the name, okay? All the name of sense organs. First one, children, eyes. Eyes help us to see. Second one, ears. Ears help us to hear. Third, nose. Nose help us to smell. Fourth, tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Fifth, skin. Skin help us to feel. Clear, children? Okay. Now come on this picture. Match the picture. Okay, children? Now I think you are able to do this. Yes? Okay. So all of you just see the picture. Eyes, nose, ears and tongue. Okay? Eye, nose, ear and tongue. And see the picture which is given below: fruit, drum, flower and television. Okay, children? Now, one by one, we will see, okay, how you will match it. Eye. How can you match? Eye. Match it with the television. Why? Because we are able to see the television because of our eyes. Okay, children? Now see the second one. Nose. Nose, match it with flower. Because of our nose, we can smell the flower. Next one, ear. Ear. With your ear, you can hear the beating of the drum. Okay? Last one, tongue. With the help of your tongue, you can taste the fruit. Clear, children? So that we have learned in today's lesson the 5 sense organs, which are the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongues and the skin. Okay, children? So now all of you just revise it at your home. Try to practice the sense organ, the diagram of all the sense organ.